Nuclear Throne is another name for World War III. Alright, man. Here we go. Here we go. Finally, a game that's gonna suit me. Dude, screwdriver? Of course. Take him out. Dude, he's got a roll? Let's go. Out of here. Shotgun? Son, let me tell ya. Hey, fam. Oh, out. Out of here. I'm sorry. Wait. Disc gun? I gotta see this. Bro. Holy crap. That's amazing. Crossbow, now we're talking, dude. This is more like it. Like, oh my. Oh, what the heck? Oh my. What the heck? Why did... Okay, I killed him. We're all good. I am yawning these levels so easy. Oh. Out of here, I'm sorry. Okay. And then, bam. Oh! He was already dead. Come on, man. Are you serious right now? Alright. Another run. Why not? Boom, man. I'm snoring. This no-hit run right now. Explode. Now that's what I'm talking about. Nah, just something you don't want to deal with, just blow it up. Okay. I'm telling you, this is gonna be different. I got this, man. I got this. Y'all don't even know. Boom. What is crossbow? Dang. Take a large. What? Now, dude. Are you kidding? Oh, shoot. There you go. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, what the? Alright. That's more like it, dude. This is what I'm talking about. Out of here, I'm sorry. Bro. This is what it's really come down to, man. Down. Like, come on. Easy. Another level up, man. Man, I'm gonna be winning this game in no time. Oh. Okay, they can... Oh, shoot! Okay. It's time for the real stuff now. And I'm dead. Okay. Y'all already know I'm gonna be doing fly. Like, man, they can make this game harder. It's just too easy. Oh, my. Large pistol, please. Yeah, sure, I'll go ahead. Why not? Oh, shoot. Okay. I got this. Oh, gosh. That was easy. Holy crap. And I'm dead. Okay. Ow. Okay, already low HP. That sucks. They really need to increase the level of difficulty on here, dude. It's just too easy. Okay. Oh, dang. I got new characters. Whoa, what the heck? Alright. New character. Excited. This seems promising. Holy crap! Oh! I can blow corpses? That's amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's sick. A screwdriver? Oh shoot, he's got 2 health though. Oh shoot, that did a ton. Dang, man. That's actually amazing. I died to that thing. Oh my gosh. I already know I'm winning. There you go. Boom, this is so easy. Oh, whoa! I forgot. Alright, here we go. I am dead. Gonna try out this crystal guy. Here we go. Easy. Easy, man. Storming in here. With the wrench. My gosh. There you go. Man, can I play this whole game with a wrench? Here we go. This is the ultimate challenge. Out of here. Out of here, man. Oh, shoot, and a screwdriver. There you go. Only melee. I'm so stupid. What am I doing? If the big bandit comes up, it's over. Oh my gosh, no, why? And I'm dead. Okay, well. Yeah, I don't know what I was expecting. Here we go, man. This'll be easy. Just shooting right past him. Here we go. And thanks. Boom! Only melee run. Oh, dang. It almost worked. Here we go, here we go. I'm gonna just ruin these guys. Out. Boom. Completely ruined. Oh! Oh! Yeah. Take this, man. Out of here. Level up. Plus 4 max HP, come on. Let's go. There you go. Oh, shoot. Here we go. Take that. Shield. Yeah, why not? There you go. I think I've learned my lesson with the wrench. I'm not taking another one. Alright. And there you... Oh my gosh! And I'm dead. Okay, well. This time I'm not gonna go as easy. Oh! Out of here. Out of here. Take this. Go ahead. It's a laser pistol. That's what I thought, guys. This is what I thought. I thought y'all were better than this. Where's the whatever I heard open? That was it? Dude, that was so easy. Hey, man. Out of here. Man, I'm gonna be snoring. Here we go. Bam. Whoa. Ching. Gotcha. Boom. SMG, dude. Like, come on. Holy crap. That's better than a machine gun. Oh, shoot. Okay. Alright, I know what to take out. And he's done. Come on, dude. He didn't even stand a chance. Assault rifle? Oh, dang. Now that's more like it, dude. And you're dead. Yeah. What the heck? Who am I missing? Of course. Why are there so many of them down here? Like, holy crap. There you go. Level up, man. Here we go. Less enemy HP. Holy crap. Who wouldn't choose that, to be honest? Honestly. Oh, shoot. Okay. Wow, okay. I see. I see. We're getting harder here. Oh, gosh. A double shotgun? Holy crap. Holy crap! Oh my gosh! That's amazing. Alright, man. Out. Look at this. Take a look at this, dude. Gather him up. Bam! Oh my gosh! I wasn't even shooting in that direction, then he died. The double shot. I can't even. That's amazing. More HP and ammo drops. Here we go. Oh shoot! Where are we? Okay. Huh! Oh dang. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Come on at me. Yo! There are birds. Dude, this thing just increased its hardness by like 80. This is unfair. What? It's still pretty amazing, dude. Here we go. Alright. Not even a problem. Out. Bam. You know what I mean. Come on. These birds need to get a little bit better. I thought they were going to be hard. Nah, man. Yo. Oh, what? It was a trap? How was I supposed to know that? What the heck? Alright, here we are. I'm back, dude. Holy, what the heck was that? What is breathing fire so hard right now? Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Okay. Here we go, here we go. Oh, whoa. Okay. There you go. These health packs. Man, this is so easy. Whoa. A toxic bow? Splinter gun? Hold on, let me try this out. Splinter gun. Yeah. Holy! Yeah, well. Wow, yeah. So much good fun.